Hi, Bill the Artist here, just with a quick little vlog update. I'm about halfway through doing the new how to draw video of Albus Dumbledore, played by Michael Gambon. Things are just bonkers for everybody right now, and hopefully this will be online tomorrow. I'm getting there, and we're just still dealing with a lot of family stuff. I hope you are all absolutely fine and fantastic and well, and everyone's keeping good and enjoying doing everything that you can at the moment during the lockdown. But like I say, the new video will be online hopefully tomorrow. Like I say, we're just still dealing with stuff, and I hope you like the update that we can see so far. Do check out all the other Harry Potter stuff on the Harry Potter playlist. Please do like and subscribe, tick the bell to be notified when this video and all the other future ones are online. But thanks very much, and enjoy all the stuff that's on my how to draw lessons already, because there's over 130. Take care, see you soon with a full how to draw Albus Dumbledore.